Welcome back to the channel. I hope you will subscribe and hit that like button. Hey, today I'm going to tell you about a must-do at Niagara Falls, and that is Cave of the Winds. Now, I'm not going to sit here and describe it to you. Watch this 2-minute video and you will get the full experience and know what to expect when you go there. So have a great time, and I hope you enjoy the video.